What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video where we talk about using the pocket option platform to do binary option trading. Now, if this is your first time visiting the channel, take the time to look at the previous videos. That way you know exactly what we've been talking about up until now. You understand the strategies and the setups and all the tips that I've been giving out each and every day. For those of you who were looking for the links, they are in the description. If you're considering signing up, getting into the pocket option community, where a lot of us are making gains each and every day as we learn these tips that I'm shelling out so you can have profitable trading sessions. And for those of you who wanted a coaching session, I apologize, but it's been a little hectic in getting to everyone who is looking for a coaching session and needs some extra tips. I am happy to hear back after we have talked that your trading session has improved. So that's always great to hear. But make sure you schedule a coaching call if you are still struggling and trying to get those tips and strategies down. So, first up, where in the world can I get money to trade? Well, as you know, I did create an ebook that basically gives you 50 ideas on how to find money to trade. If any of those ideas fits with your schedule, then go for it. All you're looking for is an extra $50 or $100 so you can get started trading on the platform so you can make additional money like the rest of us. It is just that simple. Finding money to trade is not as hard as you think it is. You may have to eliminate some other expenses that you don't need. I know that I cut back on a lot of expenses and found that, I was able to cough up $100 to get my trading session going and getting on the platform. So everybody's different, but use those ideas. Make sure it works with your schedule. Don't rush it. Do not put your last of everything in there. No one is encouraging you to do that. Always try to be conservative and realistic. But if you're looking for extra money, look online, use the ebook, start saving a little extra from your paycheck, however you want to do it. But those are just some ideas that you can use to your benefit. What can I do with the skills that I'm learning on Pocket Option? Well, first of all, if you're brand new, you've been at it for a month, even if you've been at it for a year, we are talking about a lot of concepts and strategies and tips that regular full-time day traders use. Now, as you know, in binary options on Pocket Option, it is a hit or miss. All you're pressing is a higher or lower button in regard to the strike price. You're making a bid on that. Some people who do the Forex trading, they're a lot more technical. But either way, they are still using the same concepts when I talk about the oversold market or the overbought market. Those are terms that you now understand, even along with all of the indicators that I have presented on this channel. When you go over into TradingView, you now can understand the basic concepts that you see on TradingView, which a lot of day traders use in their trading sessions when they're trading in the regular market. Sooner or later, you're going to find yourself bouncing over to Robinhood. You might want to purchase some options. You might want to look for stocks that are about to blow, going back to TradingView. So you may be looking for only overbought stocks that might blow for the next day. And what is overbought? Stocks that are about to go down and they're about to sell. Now, obviously, there's more to it where you need to read the news and understand what's going on with the company. But either way, the time that you are spending on Pocket Option is very, very valuable, and you are picking up some skills that you can use in the long run and eventually, yes, become a full-time professional trader. But either way, you have a general idea of what's going on simply by being on this platform. So use these skills that you're picking up, the tips, the strategies, the indicators, to your advantage. Okay, let's get into this 3-minute strategy using the horizontal resistance line. Now, as you can see, I kind of dabbled with it here and there, and I think I'm liking the 3-minute strategy. I always live and die by that 1-minute strategy. I'm starting to do a lot more 2-minute and 3-minute strategies, and I'm going to begin to share a lot of the tips on how to hit your points with these longer strategies. Okay, so let's get into these trades.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Think that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You shouldn't doubt yourself, 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine. You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Shine. Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine, shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you might mess it up? Just shine.
And that's it. If you're still struggling, consider scheduling a coaching call. Check out the ebook so you can identify and nail those candlesticks that win, find money to trade, and learn how to grow a small account with one trade a day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.